The unusual design of this footwear may leave you scratch your heads, wondering why Crocs are so popular? Today let's dig into that. Hello amazing viewers, it's me Femina here. If this is the content you would be interested in, do subscribe and click the bell right away. Crocs is an American footwear company based in Colorado, USA. Founded by Scott Siemens, Lyndon Hansen and George Bodecker in 2002. They manufacture these plastic or foam-based clogs for the comfort of men and women. Crocs were originally made for function and not so much for style. Initially developed as a boat shoe, the first model, the Beach, was introduced at the 2002 Fort Lauderdale Boat Show in Florida. They first hit stores in 2004 and were an immediate hit. By 2007, the company was selling 50 million pairs a year, reaching $850 million in sales. The shoes were originally created for boaters, prioritizing grip-focused soles, waterproof materials, and foot protection. They are most often seen on the feet of nurses, chefs, and others who walk on their feet for hours. Why are Crocs called Crocs? Yes, crocodiles. Since the shoes were designed to perform on both land and sea, the brand pulled its name from the multi-environment amphibious crocodile. Crocs are made of a patented foam called Croslite. It is actually closed-cell resin, not plastic or rubber. In 2018, Croslite is innovated into Lightrite, a material that is 25% lighter and 40% softer than Croslite, while still providing shock absorption and support. Whether it's a kid's Crocs or men's size, there are exactly 13 holes on each pair of Crocs. These holes serve as ventilation and let out excess moisture to keep the shoes fresh. They are lightweight, comfortable, sweat-resistant, non-slippery, easy to clean, waterproof, breathable, and cheap. They tick all the boxes except beautiful. While Crocs clogs were undeniably popular, people tired of seeing the colorful plastic shoes nearly everywhere. The distinctive colorful clogs loved and hated in equal measure. Multiple fashion publishers and news channels made it popular to hate the brand, labeling them as ugly. The economic collapse in 2008, combined with a saturated market, hit the company hard. Crocs cut 2,000 jobs and lost over $185 million in that year alone. So, how do they come back with a bang? The company set out to create different range of designs: slides, flip-flops, flats, wedges, sneakers, and winter boots that are comfortable and stylish. They even started selling tiny accessories called gibbet stumps that can be attached to each clog for customization purposes. The shoe company began to collaborate with many celebrities like Justin Bieber, Post Malone, and Bad Bunny, and fashion brands like Balenciaga. In 2020, Crocs even landed a collab with KFC, resulting in the creation of the fried chicken themed Crocs, which Skims owner Kim Kardashian later wore in a popular Instagram story. The controversial shoe has regained popularity and garnered recognition in the fashion world. Pop stars such as Drake and Pharrell have been seen wearing Crocs numerous times. American musician Questlove wore golden Crocs to the 2021 Oscars red carpet. Like Lysol and hand sanitizer brands, Crocs actually benefited from the COVID-19 pandemic. People opted to wear more comfy styles like loungewear instead of jeans, a t-shirt, and some sneakers. With its wide foot and easy to slip-on design, Crocs become the perfect comfy shoe to wear. Sales for the shoe skyrocketed, and in the first quarter of 2021, Crocs saw an increase of nearly 65% in sales. Now, Crocs has sold more than 720 million pairs of shoes in more than 90 countries worldwide. Crocs classic clogs are the #1 item on Amazon's top bestsellers list for clothing, shoes, and jewelry. Once known as arguably the ugliest shoes ever made, Crocs have now become one of the fashionable shoes of choice. Crocs is proof that hate is irrelevant when millions are buying your products. See you in another video. Bye bye.